Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am here to tell you guys all about Halo Beauty. This is the Hair, Skin, Nails Booster. Now, the reason I'm talking about this now, even though it's been out for a while, is because I have been testing it since it released like in March. So I'm going on 6 months of testing it, and because it is a multivitamin and it affects your body internally to externally, you have to give it time to really see results. So I have been waiting to do this video so I can really put this to the test and tell you guys all about it, what I saw. So this multivitamin supplement is created by Tati Westbrook, or Glam Life Guru on YouTube, I believe in conjunction with her husband. This was a big release, but also super controversial because people just tore this down. They were Googling things, coming up with like WebMD paragraphs, tweeting her, and it was just actually crazy to see people's reactions to it. Also, Googling WebMD, that's never a good idea. Like, unless you get a diagnosis from a doctor and then you Google it, don't Google symptoms and things, because everything will tell you that you have an illness or a disease. Just go to a doctor, you know? Tati actually created these multivitamins in conjunction with dermatologists. She really found experts in various fields and work with them in her own factory and created this product, and it is supposed to promote thick and luxurious hair growth, minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, supports collagen and keratin production, promotes strong and healthy nails with anti-gray fighting enzymes. This is also gluten-free, soy-free, sugar-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. So first off, I want to start this video by saying that this is a supplement. Okay, guys, it's not a cure. It's supposed to supplement your daily activity, lifestyle, and nutrition. Tati did an entire 1-hour video where she literally broke down each and every single ingredient, and the ingredients overall pretty much are great. She has really put a lot of effort into finding the right combination of the right ingredients with the right amounts. And there's actually the exact amount of each ingredient here on the back, which if you look at a lot of hair, skin, and nail vitamins or supplements, they don't have the exact milligram dosage of each item. This is also chock full of ingredients that are used in skincare, ingredients that are found in foods, ingredients that may just be missing from your day-to-day life. And what I personally really love is that the main ingredient is not biotin. I am actually a little bit allergic to biotin, where if I take a biotin supplement on its own, I break out, I get a lot of redness, and it's pretty common with biotin. She has biotin in this, but it's not the main ingredient. There are a lot of other things that are high quality, pretty expensive ingredients, but she has put into these vitamins because of the benefits that they carry. In one bottle, you get 60 capsules. You're supposed to take 2 capsules at a time every single day. If you take less, you will probably not see results as quickly as you may want to. And if you take more, it's not really gonna super boost your results. So just take 2 capsules a day every single day. So, as many of you probably already noticed, besides lip balm, and I have the sad remainders of lash extensions that I'm just kind of letting go. Besides that, there's absolutely nothing on my face, and I wanted to do this because as I'm telling you guys about my results, I wanted to be able to point it out on my skin and you actually be able to see it, rather than being like, girl, you're wearing a full face of makeup, obviously your skin looks even and corrected and not red. And also, I have actually dimmed out the lighting that I have so that it doesn't give you that super perfect skin airbrush look, because I want you guys to actually be able to see my skin. I started taking this supplement back in March when it first released. So the first thing I noticed was in the first couple of weeks, my pores shrunk. I have pretty large pores right around here and also in this area. I still have them, but they are significantly smaller than they were pre Halo Beauty. I have KP on my body, primarily on my arms, which if you don't know what KP is, it's basically like, some people call it chicken skin, but if you can see these like red dots on my arm here, that's KP. It's basically an excess of keratin that kind of builds up in certain areas. A lot of people have it on like the backs of their thighs or on their calves. I have a little bit on my legs, but it's primarily, since I can remember, been on my arms. So KP pretty much manifests itself as red dots and or bumps. So what I started noticing was that the redness of it reduced significantly. This was something that I'm not super self-conscious about. I'm kind of used to it at this point. The redness you just saw is actually probably 70% less than what it used to be. It is probably around, again, 70% smoother. These red spots are actually flat on my arm. They're not bumpy red spots anymore for the most part. They actually say on the website that you will see results around, I think, 60 to 90 days. I have combo skin. I am oily in my T-zone. I sweat a lot and I get dry patches randomly, but I noticed that a lot of the general areas where I usually get dry patches, they started going away. There was just an overall boost of hydration, which she does mention in the videos, and I really felt like I could see those results. Right now, I have just face cream and eye cream on, but I feel like the luminosity of my natural skin has really increased. My face and skin just looks and feels plumper, and I am a stickler for skincare, so a lot of my skincare helps enhance that, but these are things that I noticed even without that. And my redness has subsided. So I have a lot of redness right here and around my nose and my chin, and that has been for literally my entire life. Although the redness doesn't bother me too much, it still is so nice to wake up in the morning, you look in the mirror, and your face isn't splotchy, it's just even, it's glowy. I almost feel like sometimes I look my best first thing in the morning. The next set of changes I noticed were I get hormonal acne right in my chin area. It's usually like a couple pimples. They get massive. They're like volcanoes, and then they go away. They scar so badly. I have a lot of yellow undertones in my skin, and for whatever reason, when a pimple leaves a mark on me, it looks like a dark purple hyperpigmentation spot. But I've noticed that my acne has actually reduced. Where I would get several pimples in this kind of area in a month, I now only get a couple, and they 9 times out of 10 don't really scar too much on me. Let me knock on some wood though. For hair growth, I noticed a couple things. First, my lashes I felt grew, especially my lower lashes. I have always had decent lower lashes, and especially when I wear mascara, it tends to really pick up well. My lower lashes have never been this long. Of course, I have my eyelash extensions in, but even with those, I actually noticed how much my lashes were growing, because you can actually see as the lash grows out where the extension was when you first placed it. Lash extensions, of course, are extra weight on the lashes. Generally, natural lashes, you lose them every day, but mine were not falling out quite as much as I had expected, or as much as I felt they did on a day-to-day basis without the lash extensions. And I got the lash extensions probably a month and a half after I started taking the Halo Beauty supplement. My hair generally, since I started coloring it, has stopped growing super fast. I can actually track how fast my hair is growing because I have highlights, so I can see the difference between my natural root and the colored parts. Within the last 2 months, my hair has actually grown about an inch. I just got it cut like 2 days ago, which for me is awesome because in the last 2 years, my hair growth was so minimal. I have hypothyroidism, and a side effect of that can be hair fall. Of course, I'm taking medication, it is regulated, but still the tendency to lose hair is a little bit higher. And also I have dermatitis on my scalp, which again causes more hair loss. So the booster, since taking it, I have significantly less hair loss. When I'm in the shower and I wash my hair, I gather all my hair so it doesn't clog my drain. And before, where it would be just so much hair coming out. Now it's like maybe 15 to 20 strands, which, listen, that is monumental for me. Now, as far as hair growth, a lot of people have wondered about like facial hair and body hair. I have a lot of facial hair here, mustache. I got it. I got it all. I have not noticed that this supplement has significantly increased the hair growth on my face or my arms. I have a girlfriend of mine who started taking this and she's obsessed with it, but she did notice that her upper lip hair was growing back super quickly. I don't know if it's just maybe my hair growth cycle. I do, you know, shave my face every so often, but to be honest, I haven't done any kind of hair removal on my face in probably 2 weeks, which is crazy because at one point my hair was like, I literally had a beard. Like a year ago, I literally had a beard in like a week. It was terrifying. The last thing that I noticed that was pretty significant was actually my nail growth rate. My nails have always been pretty healthy. I have had acrylics in the past. I have acrylics on right now. Since taking this booster, my nails grow so quickly, and you can really tell when you have acrylics because you can see the difference between the cuticle and the acrylic. This right here is where my acrylic is right now, and you can see right here the gap where my nail has grown, and you can almost see the entire half moon at the base near my cuticle, and this is 10 days of these nails. That's it. So what I did just to verify my results and to make sure that it was the supplement and not me or my lifestyle is I actually, after about 3 months, stopped taking the supplement for 3 weeks. Supplements are generally not permanent. You will see your body and whatever results you see going back to the original point in most cases, but there are sometimes, depending on your body, your lifestyle, your habits, that certain results you see from supplements are a little more long-term or are slower to kind of go back to their original. So what I noticed with myself when I stopped taking these for 3 weeks is that some of my redness started to return. The overall hydration also of my skin, like the 3rd week, started to change up. I noticed that I was having a lot more congestion, specifically in this area, and more blotchiness and a couple more dry patches, especially around my nose. Besides that, 3 weeks off of it, I still was seeing a lot of the same results that I was when I was on it, which was great, and really assuring that if you do kind of miss a couple days here and there, or if you don't get your hands on it for even a month, you pretty much should see not a significant change, but I do know that the supplement is working because I saw enough of a change that assured me that it was in fact the supplement doing its job. I wanted to mention that I take a couple medications, just health medications, one of them being for my hypothyroidism, and then the other one actually being an estrogen pill. In the time that I have taken the Halo Beauty supplements, I have had my routine blood tests once every couple months, and nothing has changed. This supplement has not affected any of my other medications. On that note, my final take is that everyone should be taking Halo Beauty supplements. Each person will experience different results. These were just my results, but I wanted to share them. There's really no downside to taking it. Men, women, both can take it. You will see results of some sort. So if you take it and you don't really see a lot of results in 90 days, then you can stop it and nothing bad is going to happen to you. But if you start taking it and you love it, you can continue taking it and you don't have to worry about negative repercussions. This is a product that I genuinely live by, trust, take it every single day. A lot of you guys over the last couple months have been asking me about like my skincare routine. To be honest, I don't really have a set skincare routine at the moment. I feel like the biggest skincare secret for me is this. If you're nervous about the hair growth, she did just release the Kiwi Booster, which is specifically just for skin. So if you're looking for the benefits in hair growth and strength and overall hydration, then stick to the hair, skin, and nail booster. If not, try the Kiwi Booster. But that's all I got for today's review, guys. If you've tried Halo Beauty, please leave a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts on it were, what results you saw. And if you try Halo Beauty after seeing this video, please let me know. I would be so excited to see whether other people experience the same things that I did. But until my next video, thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon. Bye!